Lightweight cruisers are becoming more popular than ever, and 2026 is bringing some seriously exciting new options. If you want comfort, easy handling, and great style without the heavy weight, this list is for you. Let's begin with number 7. Number 7. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. A lightweight cruiser that's becoming a favorite among riders who want simplicity, comfort, and classic charm in one package. The current Meteor already has a huge fan base, and the 2026 update is expected to bring smoother refinement, better electronics, and even cleaner styling. Powered by Royal Enfield's 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Meteor isn't about speed, it's about relaxing, easygoing rides. The power delivery is calm and predictable, perfect for new riders, returning riders, or seniors who want a motorcycle that doesn't demand too much effort. What makes the Meteor special is how friendly it feels. The low seat height, upright ergonomics, and light steering make it incredibly easy to handle even in tight city streets or slow-speed traffic. It's one of those cruisers that instantly gives you confidence no matter your skill level. Owners love its smoothness, its fuel efficiency, and the fact that maintenance costs are very low. And because it's not overloaded with electronics or complex mechanics, there's less that can go wrong, a big advantage for long-term riders. For 2026, riders are expecting small but meaningful improvements. Updated suspension tuning, brighter lighting, and more premium fit and finish to keep the Meteor looking fresh. If you want an affordable, lightweight cruiser that offers comfort, simplicity, and a timeless cruising feel, the 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a great way to start this countdown. Number 6. Honda Rebel 300. A lightweight cruiser that proves you don't need a big engine to enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride. The Rebel lineup has always been famous for easy handling, low weight, and pure rider confidence, and the 2026 model is expected to refine everything that riders already love. The Rebel 300 uses a single-cylinder engine that's quiet, efficient, and incredibly beginner-friendly. But it's also a great choice for seniors or casual riders who just want something simple and stress-free. It delivers smooth power, great fuel economy, and very low maintenance costs. One thing the Rebel 300 does better than almost any small cruiser is comfort. You get a super low seat height, relaxed foot position, and light steering that makes slow-speed control effortless. Even riders with less strength or flexibility find this bike easy to manage. The minimalist design also keeps the weight low, making it perfect for city rides, weekend cruising, or short-distance adventures. And because it's a Honda, reliability is never a question. These bikes are known to run for years with nothing more than basic service. For 2026, riders are expecting updated LED lighting, improved ride modes, and slightly cleaner styling to keep the Rebel looking modern while still staying true to its simple identity. If you want a lightweight cruiser that's friendly, reliable, and incredibly easy to ride, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is one of the best options out there, especially for riders who value comfort over power. Number 5. CFMOTO 450 CLC. A lightweight cruiser that has surprised everyone with its style, smoothness, and premium quality feel. The current model already turned heads with its modern design, and the 2026 update is expected to make it even more refined and competitive. The 450 CLC uses a 449cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, steady power without feeling heavy or intimidating. It's one of those engines that feels calm at low speeds, confident at mid-range, and incredibly stable for everyday riding. For a lightweight cruiser, it strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. One of the biggest highlights of this bike is the design. CFMOTO gave it a modern retro look with premium finishes, a clean LED setup, and excellent build quality that feels more expensive than it really is. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and extremely fun to ride around town or on relaxed weekend trips. The seat height is low, the ergonomics are natural, and the bike feels very well balanced, making it a great choice for mature riders who want style without the struggle of moving a heavy machine. For 2026, riders are expecting improved electronics, smoother throttle response, and even better fit and finish to match bigger brands. And because CFMOTO parts and service are becoming widely available worldwide, maintaining this bike is simple and affordable. If you want a lightweight cruiser that looks premium, rides smooth, and offers exceptional value, the 2026 CFMOTO 450 CLC is definitely one of the most exciting options to watch this year. Number 4. Kawasaki Eliminator 500. a lightweight cruiser that's getting a ton of attention thanks to its modern design and impressive performance. The Eliminator name has a long history, and Kawasaki's 2026 update is expected to take this iconic lightweight platform to an entirely new level. Under the tank, you get a 451cc parallel twin engine, smooth, responsive, and surprisingly strong for a lightweight cruiser. It delivers quick acceleration, steady mid-range power, and a calm, predictable riding feel that works beautifully for both new riders and mature riders alike. One of the biggest strengths of the Eliminator 500 is its ergonomics. The low seat height, relaxed foot placement, and light steering make it incredibly easy to control. Even at slow speeds or tight turns, it's a bike that instantly feels natural. No awkward reach, no heavy handling, just pure comfort. Design-wise, the Eliminator 500 looks sleek and modern, with clean LED lighting, a sporty stance, and minimal bodywork that gives it a fresh 2026 identity. And with Kawasaki's reputation for strong reliability, this bike is built to be a long-term companion without high maintenance costs. For 2026, riders are expecting refinements in suspension tuning, smoother throttle mapping, and upgraded electronics to make the Eliminator even more polished and rider-friendly. It's one of those cruisers that blends performance with approachability in a way few lightweight bikes can. If you want a cruiser that's light, stylish, comfortable, and still packs enough punch to keep the ride exciting, the 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is one of the best choices out there. Number 3. Honda Rebel 500. A lightweight cruiser that has become one of the most trusted and best-selling bikes for riders of all ages. The Rebel 500 already has a reputation for being smooth, comfortable, and incredibly easy to ride. And the 2026 model is expected to bring even more refinement. Under the tank, you get Honda's 471cc parallel twin engine, known worldwide for its reliability, quiet operation, and friendly torque delivery. It's strong enough for highway cruising, yet gentle and predictable for riders who want a relaxed, confidence-building experience. What makes the Rebel 500 stand out is how approachable it feels. The low seat height, lightweight, and neutral riding posture make it one of the easiest mid-sized cruisers to handle. Whether you're commuting through traffic or enjoying weekend rides, the Rebel always feels stable and easy to control. Honda is also expected to give the 2026 model small but meaningful upgrades, smoother throttle response, brighter LED lighting, and a cleaner dash design, all without complicating the simple Rebel formula that riders love. Comfort is another big highlight. The seat is supportive, the suspension is forgiving, and the overall design is perfect for long, relaxed rides. And because it's a Honda, maintenance stays low, reliability stays high, and ownership stays stress-free. If you want a lightweight cruiser with the perfect balance of power, comfort, and everyday practicality, the 2026 Honda Rebel 500 is easily one of the most anticipated bikes of the year. Number 2. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. A cruiser that continues to surprise everyone with how smooth, refined, and comfortable it feels for the price. This bike already earned massive respect for its relaxed riding style and premium road presence, and the 2026 version is expected to take that formula even further. The Super Meteor uses Royal Enfield's proven 648cc parallel twin engine, one of the smoothest engines the company has ever built. It delivers gentle, predictable torque that makes city riding effortless and highway cruising calm and enjoyable. It's not built for high-speed aggression, it's built for relaxed, confident riding. And that's exactly why riders love it. One of the biggest strengths of the Super Meteor is its comfort-focused ergonomics. You get a low 29-inch seat height, wide handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs that keep your posture upright and comfortable. Long rides feel easy, and even new riders find this bike surprisingly approachable for its size. For 2026, Royal Enfield is expected to improve the suspension tuning, refine the LED lighting system, and offer more accessory options for touring. The bike already feels planted and stable, and these small upgrades will make it even smoother on mixed roads. The Super Meteor also brings premium styling to the lightweight cruiser category. From the chunky tank to the chrome accents, it looks like a much more expensive motorcycle, which is a huge reason for its growing popularity among budget-conscious riders. If you want a cruiser with big bike presence, smooth power delivery, and long-distance comfort without a big price tag, the 2026 Super Meteor 650 remains one of the smartest choices out there. Number 1. Indian Scout Rogue 60. A lightweight cruiser that delivers classic American style with a level of smoothness and refinement that riders absolutely love. The Rogue 60 has always been known as the more accessible version of the full Scout lineup, and the 2026 model continues that tradition with even better balance, better handling, and a fresh modern attitude. It's powered by Indian's reliable 1133cc V-twin engine, giving you strong, predictable torque without overwhelming the rider. It's the kind of engine that feels smooth at low speeds, confident on city roads, and surprisingly capable on open highways. And because it's tuned for ease of use, it's one of those cruisers you can ride daily without feeling tired or stressed. The lightweight chassis is one of its biggest strengths. It feels nimble in traffic, steady on turns, and incredibly forgiving for riders who want a cruiser that's easy to manage. The low seat height and mid-controls make it comfortable for riders of all sizes, and because of its balanced weight distribution, you never feel like you're fighting the bike. For 2026, Indian is expected to refine the suspension, update the LED lighting, and give the bike a slightly cleaner modern look without losing its aggressive Rogue-style DNA. It still maintains that dark urban cruiser attitude, but now with smoother performance and better ride quality. What makes the Rogue 60 stand out is the way it blends premium feel with real-world usability. It looks mean, rides smooth, and feels light. The perfect combination for riders who want a cruiser that performs well without becoming a handful. If you want a modern cruiser that's stylish, lightweight, reliable, and incredibly fun to ride. And that wraps up today's list. Which lightweight cruiser impressed you the most? Tell me in the comments. Your feedback helps shape the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.